Marketing automation software versus email campaign platforms, which one is better for lead nurturing? Most marketers get this wrong by assuming that sending emails alone is enough to nurture leads. The surprising truth is that marketing automation software and email campaign platforms serve distinct purposes, and choosing the right one can significantly impact conversions. Email campaign platforms like MailChimp, Constant Contact, or Sendinblue focus on creating and sending bulk emails. They allow teams to design templates, schedule campaigns, and track open rates or click-throughs. For example, an e-commerce company can send a product announcement to thousands of subscribers and see how many engage. Email platforms excel at one-off campaigns and basic lead communication. Marketing automation software, such as HubSpot, Marketo, or ActiveCampaign, takes lead nurturing to the next level. They enable multi-channel workflows, automated follow-ups, scoring leads based on behavior, and delivering personalized content at the right time. For instance, a SaaS company can automatically send onboarding content to a trial user, then trigger an upsell email if they engage with key features. Marketing automation platforms excel at delivering tailored experiences that guide leads through the funnel. The key difference is campaign execution versus personalized nurturing. Email platforms are great for reaching large audiences, while marketing automation software focuses on engaging leads over time with the right message at the right moment. Most effective marketers use both email platforms for announcements and automation software for ongoing nurturing. The takeaway is clear. If your goal is sending campaigns and tracking engagement, email platforms are sufficient. If your goal is converting leads through personalized, automated journeys, marketing automation software is the better choice. The surprising truth is that combining both gives marketing teams the power to communicate broadly while nurturing leads intelligently, driving higher conversion rates and stronger ROI.